Hi friends, today we have got a Fortuner official Legender with us. Guys, you all know Fortuner has got a bit amount of roll in the vehicle, and to a maximum extent the front seat and the middle seats are slightly uncomfortable. There is a lot of roll, there is a lot of jerk which comes and hits you continuously. So to get this problem erased, today we have installed this Ironman nitrogen gas filled suspension along with the coil spring for this Fortuner, and believe me, the comfort is super next level. We have just completed the job. We have just taken a test drive as of now, and we are back right away. The performance, the quality of drive, the roll is completely gone. To have an actual drive feel of a Fortuner, guys, you shouldn't miss this nitrogen filled suspension along with the coil spring made from Ironman to your car. Also friend, it has uplifted this vehicle by almost 1 and 2 inches, where you can make out the difference in this. The lift up really gives you a very good feel, and it gives you a robust look for your vehicle. Plus the swinging goes off. Friends, we have got the official driver of this vehicle along with us. Dada या. Dada, thank you. तुम्ही आमच्या व्ह्यूअरला सांगा तुम्हाला कसं वाटलं गाडी. तुम्ही आता चालून आलात माझ्यावर, तुम्हाला कसं वाटलं?
एक नंबर वाटलं. एक नंबर सस्पेन्शन आहे, काय अडचण नाही आहे.
तुम्हाला आता फील कसं आला? आपण गाडीमध्ये बसलो,
पहिल्यापेक्षा सस्पेन्शन एक नंबर आहे.
आता आपण जेव्हा जग मारला, एक स्पीड वगैरे गेलो, तुम्हाला कसं वाटलं? ओव्हरऑल तुमचा इफेक्ट कसा आला?
चांगलं वाटलं, पहिल्यापेक्षा एक नंबर.
But as of now, we have completed this job and the project is fabulous. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next.